All right, let's take a look at the examples for slope in the coordinate plane. Example A asks us what the slope of the line running through the point 2, 2, which is right here, and the point 4, 6, which is right up here, would be. So remember, we need to find the rise, which of course is the difference between the two y points. We can actually use a little triangle. The little triangle means change in. So we have the change in y's, or the change in the up-down, over the run. So that would be the change in the left-right, or the x-axis. So first we'll take a look at the y change. We're going from a y coordinate of 2 up to a y coordinate of 6. So our delta y, or our change in y, would be 6 minus 2, or 4. So our rise is 4. And then our run would be, if we go up 4, then we run from a difference of 2 to 4. So our run would be 4 minus 2, or 2. So that puts our rise over run as 4 over 2, which reduces to 2, and tells us that our slope m is 2. All right, let's take a look at example B. Example B tells us that we need to find the slope between the points -8, 3, so that's up here somewhere, and 2, -2 would be. And these 2 points are not marked on there, so we're going to have to count based on the points they give us. So if we know that we're going from an x-coordinate of -8 and 2, so let's start over here at the -8. So in order to go from -8 clear over to 2, we're going to have to go to the right. -8 minus 2 gives us -10. So we have a difference of 10 units. So our delta x is 10. And then our y, we're going from, if we're starting with the same point, we're going from 3 down to -2. So our delta y is 3 minus -2, or 5. So our delta y is going to be down 5. So that tells us that our rise, -5, over our run, 10, which reduces to -1 over 2, is our m, or our slope. So we have a slope of -1/2. And we shouldn't be surprised with that, because we know we had a negative slope given that it falls or goes down from left to right as we look at the line. All right, let's take a look at example C. Example C says the picture shown is the California Incline, which is a short road that connects Highway 1 with Santa Monica. The length of the road is 152 feet and has an elevation of 177. So it has a length of 152 feet, or I'm sorry, 1,532 feet. Wow, that's a little bit of a difference, isn't it? And a height of 177. We need to find the distance across here so that we can calculate our rise and our run to figure out our slope, right? Well, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem tells us that a squared plus b squared is c squared. So that would be 177 squared plus x squared equals 1532 squared. And that would be, well, if we punch that into a calculator here, we get 31,329. That's kind of a big number. Plus x squared is equal to, holy cow, 2,347,024. So then we're going to have to subtract. We'll subtract 31,329 from both sides. Minus 31,329. That'll cancel over here. So we'll be left with just x squared on the left-hand side. And if we subtract that 31,329 from the other side, we end up with 2,315,695. And we punch the square root button on the calculator. And that gives us x is approximately 1,521 3/4. So if this one here, if the bottom line then is 1,500, wow, nice 5, Laramie, 1,521, and our height is 177, then that's our slope, right? Our slope is 177, rise 177 over run of 1521, which reduces to about, approximately here, about 3/25. So our slope then is about 3/25. And that's it.